Well, I've been speaking about during the course of the summit, things are being done well. And first of all, operational excellence. That is a part, and it's part of manufacturing, taking a look at all of this, it is. And it's about operationally, and but excellent and strategically excellent as well. So it's actually covered all the bases because we've learned quite a bit more about things that can be done from AI, from sustainability that can have a big impact among your facilities going forward. I can see there's big opportunities because it could take some time, but at the end of the day, what's going to happen is that we're going to see an improvement in the competitiveness of the South African but manufacturing industry as a whole. Involve your people. I mean, we spoke about change management, we spoke about communication. You need to make sure that you take your people on the journey or else it's not going to work.